Okay, this time we're going to place, you've just picked a random set of 5 fractions, and these are mixed numbers. We've got, so the mixed number of 1 9/10. We've got not a simplified, but it's still a proper fraction. This one is an improper fraction because it could be rewritten as 2. So now, can you please place them in order from smallest to largest? Okay, and tell me how you decided.
Well, I knew that these two were under 1 because it's a quarter, and then this simplified is a half. And then I knew these would be on the higher end of the scale because they're all over 1, where this is 1 9/10. This is simplified, which is an improper fraction, which is simplified to 2, so that's obviously higher. And I saw that this is 2 3/4, which is obviously the highest. So,
thank you. So now we're going to use my ribbon as a number line, and you'll find that one end is marked as 0 and the other is marked 3. So can you place, using my lovely pegs, can you place your fractions on that number line? So you'll need to have the whole length for the number line. Can you place it so that they are in the proper place, that they are actually in their right place?
okay, so this is 2, so it would be about 2/3 of the way down to 3.
So do you want to use a peg to attach it? Okay, before you move on, how could you prove that that was 2/3 of the way from 0 to 3?
By folding it over to have 3 equal kind of folds.
Yes, yep. Would you like to try that? It's a bit hard because the pegs are a bit clumpy, but...
It's like, more like that. There's, if you look at here, there's 3 even folds that equal to about 1/3 each.
Fantastic, great. Okay, now can you do the others?
The others would be, you got 2 3/4, which would be quite high up on the scale. Then you've got a half, which would be on the low side.
Okay, so thinking about a half, you've got 0 to 2. What might be a good interim point to think about?
1.
And where would 1 be between 0 and 2?
1 would be about here.
Okay, and so therefore where would a half be between there and 0?
Halfway between them.
Fantastic. Do you want to use this peg to...
And then you've also got a quarter, which would be in between the half and the 0.
So exactly where between those?
Exactly halfway.
Fantastic, yep.
And then you've got 1 9/10, which should be just next to the 2.
Okay, so how would you decide whether or not you were very accurate with your 1 9/10?
By checking if they're really close.
Maybe one solution could be to check where would 1/10 be. You could fold a ribbon. It's a bit clumsy because we've got big numbers and pegs, but yeah, being able to check. Thanks, Jackson. That's great. Thank you.